On May 13, 2025, Microsoft laid off over 6,000 people from its workforce. They were laid off for organizational changes to best position the company for success in a dynamic marketplace. In July 2nd, 2025, Microsoft went further to lay off over 9,100 people from its workforce. And the reason? Cost reduction amid large AI bets. They're investing over $80 billion and they are streamlining operations. And then now to the very recent news. In October 28, 2025, Amazon announced that they were laying over 14,000 jobs from its workforce. What was the reason? To reduce bureaucracy, remove organizational layers, shift resources to big bets. The company states, this generation of AI is the most transformative. We need to be organized more leanly. Now, this leaves me wondering that all these people that have lost their jobs, where are they actually going to get jobs from? In as much as I want to encourage everyone that it is possible to get a job, it's going to be so ignorant of me to not acknowledge the fact that these are trying times for a lot of people. Right now, companies are using AI as an excuse to lay off people. It is so heartbreaking because how are people going to fend for themselves? How are people going to fend for their families? I think I even saw a post recently where Elon Musk was saying that AI is going to replace every single job. Now, what the plans are for AI, to be honest, we only know what is told to us. And right now, all we can do is to guess and hope that we are protected and we are okay and that we don't get affected by this shift in the world. But this shift is here. And the only thing that we can do is to adapt as much as possible. That is why I want to talk about why starting your own thing is the best in this changing world. Now, there is nothing called job security. There is nothing like that. Before, you could say, oh, I have a permanent job, because then there was loyalty. Then companies were loyal to their staff as much as how staffs were or are loyal to the companies. But lately, we've seen that that word called permanent is not actually permanent, because a company can wake up today and tell you, we don't need you. We are deciding to divert our funds into other things. Or these companies decide, oh, we need to announce that we're making a huge profit. How do we show this huge profit? Let's cut down the workforce so that that money that we would have paid these people would go into our books. There are a lot of reasons why companies lay people off. And to be honest, your permanent job is not permanent. There is no job security, especially right now. You should be doing all that you can do to have your own thing. AI cannot replace that. Right now, you should be thinking of the things that you can do to earn you money. Starting a side hustle is no longer optional. It is compulsory. You cannot actually decide to rely on a company right now for your source of income. Anything can happen and you need to stay prepared. Guys, if you actually watch my channel, you would know how passionate I am about having backup plans. If you do not have a backup plan, right now is the time for you to have a backup plan. And this backup plan involves you owning your own thing. Think about it. What has God given to you? What talents do you have? What are those things that you excel in that you haven't had the time to channel your energy into it to build it? Start it right now. Start thinking today. What skills do you have? What skills can you develop? What passions or ideas do you have that you can start to nurture on the side? Even if it is small, just start. If you already started and you stopped halfway, pick it up. If you haven't started, start. You don't want to be the next person on the chopping block because a company has decided to focus on AI. You are not replaceable. Like, you're a human being that has your life going on for you. You cannot afford to just relax and say, oh, I'm comfortable, I'm doing this job, I'm earning this money. It can go in a split second. You can get an email tomorrow inviting you for a call with a weird person you've never seen in your organization, and them telling you, oh, due to organization changes, we no longer require your role, so we'll be making your role redundant. You don't need that. If that actually happens to you, what do you have to fall back on? Your savings cannot cut it right now. Yes, it's good to have savings, it's good to have investments, but you need to stay protected. The energy that you need to start your own thing, go and look for it. Pick it up from where it is. Pick it up. Pick it up. Go and find it. Please. The aim of this video is to encourage you to start something of your own. Start something of your own. Don't rely on your 9 to 5. Now, I'm not saying you should quit your 9 to 5. And I'm not saying that literally tomorrow they're going to lay you off. But it's all about being protected. It's all about staying protected. It's all about investing your time and your energy into what actually matters. So that in case if this happens to you, you wouldn't be stuck, guys. The energy you're giving to your 9 to 5, put that energy into your own thing. Most of these companies don't care about you. And that is the hard truth. Listen to me. They don't care. They care about their pockets. If AI is going to make things cheaper for them, then they would lean towards AI. What would you have to do for yourself if you're being affected? If they tell you today to leave, what would happen? Especially as immigrants, you don't want to be in that situation. If you are in a position to start something for yourself, start it. Let's say you're in the UK and you're on sponsorship and the husband and wife, the dependent can actually start something. If you're in countries that you don't have restrictions on your visa, explore ways that you can actually start something for yourself. No door is completely shut. Explore ways that you can do things for yourself on the side and channel your energy into it. Right now is not the time to relax. These are trying times. As things are getting tougher, you need to also be strong enough to fight back. Guys, that is all I wanted to say in this video. Start your own thing. Start your own thing. Start your own thing. Invest into your own business. Take your business seriously today. Do the things that you're supposed to do for yourself. Think about your family. Think about your well-being. You are just a number in that company. Cover yourself. Safeguard yourself. Do all that you can do to stay protected. In this video right here, I spoke about the jobs that are at risk in 2026. So do well to watch it. And thank you so much for watching. And I will see you in my next video.